Hey, welcome back to part 2 of the unboxing of the Transformers DFC S22 Autobot Siege, Sysgun. Now, this guy is a weaponizer, which I didn't mention in part 1. But as I was saying before I got cut off, my camera just. I hate this camera. But as I was saying, it's a nice little thing that they did, a little bonus, but no one recognizes the bonus that they did was the whole Cybertronian hidden secret message code written on the side of the bots. And it's only on this side that the artwork's going to be on. And the only way to figure out where it is, I mean, you can kind of see it in person. You can't see it on camera, but you can kind of see it somewhat in person. But you have to have a bright light. So you have to have some type of bright light, shine a bright light in it, and you're like, oh, there's letters on the side of bots that's coming out and off of, this design artwork picture. What the F? Just slap the Cybertronian code language somewhere, like here or here, like, see this? Let's see if we can get the camera to focus. Like, see how you can see the Cybertronian language up here on the side of the bots, right in there? That is not the true Cybertronian language. That language is put all the way over here on the bots that is somewhat hidden, that you're going to have to hit it with a black light to see all this, and then go online to their website and type it in. It's stupid, it's retarded. If they're going to have a Cybertronian language on the bots, just do what you did back here and put it on the side of the bots, Just do that. By the way, if you want to get some cool stickers to make this guy really pop and stand out, head on over to toyhats.com, link down below in the description. So, who is Sysgun? What is Sysgun? Well, little backstory history here. Sysgun, the Autobot, which in this whole lineup that they're doing with this toy series, is a weaponizer. Sysgun is the son of Sysshot. Which, if Hasbro would continue here in America, we would have Transformers Season 4 in this series, From the G1 series, it would have transferred over to Season 4. Instead of getting that stupid, 2 or 4 episodes of Transformers, The Rebirth. Transformers, who the F cares? Give us the other, 26 episodes and finish it off as Season 4. You stupid retarded mother effort, Hasbro. Come on. That was just like insult to injury. But Japan, they came out with a new series that's kind of transfers from Transformers Season 3, but it kind of somewhat also turned into their own series, which was Transformers Headmasters. Remember if anyone's seen it, where it was like, head on, Transformers, head on. Well, if you watch the thing, it's a little bit better. Of course, the dubbing still has work to do, but you know what I mean. Anyway, so in that show, they had a Transformer who was a ninja. That's right, a ninja. Not a samurai, but a ninja. His name was Sysshot. He had official Hasbro, and I guess the car told me, licensed modes that he could transform into. He could transform into a big giant wolf, a jet plane, a car, a tank, his robot mode. He could also transform into a submarine, which was weird. It was like, it's a spaceship submarine. Hold on, there's something wrong with what you just said there. It's a spaceship submarine. It can't be both. It can only be one or the other. That art mode, one of the 6 art modes, it's either a spaceship that goes flying in space, or it's going beep 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 beep, a submarine on the water. It can't be a spaceship submarine, cause don't know where they got that idea. Hey, this art mode is a spaceship submarine. No, it's either a spaceship or a submarine. And then it had the seventh mode, which I guess would have made it 7-shot. Technically, that's the little joke going on in the whole Transformers world of, stuff. 6-shot is actually 7-shot. How is he 7-shot? He has a 7th hidden mode. You take that little submarine mode, you turn around, you flip it upside down, you put it in Metroprot's hands, and what does it become? A big, giant, freaking gun that Metroprot can hold. That's right. Metroprot can hold 6-shot as a big, giant gun. Kind of like how they did with Shockwave. That Shockwave could become a big, giant gun. But now as the seeds line up, they're like, no. Shockwave's not. He doesn't transform into a big, giant, lasery cannon gun. He transforms into a big, giant spaceship. And then he has a little hover spaceship. No, he's a big, giant freaking gun. Let his big old left hand. It's a big, giant freaking gun. He's a gun with a gun. He is a big gun. He's a gun. But he's not a Gundam. I get that. So yeah, just kind of breaking it down, telling you a little bit of the history of who 6-shot is, who 6-gun is. So like I said, 6-shot, he had 6 official modes, but really it was the unofficial 7th mode, which would make him 7-shot instead of 6-shot. He was a Decepticon. He killed Ultra Magnus, and then Danny was like, 2 minutes. He was like crying his eyes out for 2 minutes. You killed Ultra Magnus. Then he was like, hey, Ultra 6-shot, let's play catch. And 6-shot was like, looked around, looked at the Autobots, looked at the Decepticons. He was like, what the F is wrong with this kid? Does this kid need like some psycho-medical type of help? I just killed off one of the beloved, popular characters. I just shot him dead, turned his part offline, right in front of this kid's eyes. He cries about it for 2 minutes, and then he asks me, can we play fetch? Let's play fetch. Let's pass the ball around. He's like, what the F? This kid needs some serious help here. But then I gotta let his parents. Hey, Spite! Who names their kid Spite? Who names their Spite's dad Sparkplug? You had Sparkplug and Spite. Those aren't real Earth names. Those would be like, Cybertron names, maybe Pretender Shell names, but Spite, Sparkplug, Danny at least was a real name. Yeah. And no one can understand in the Transformers world of, us humans, in, the actual Transformer Headmaster world, among the Autobots and the Decepticons, why Danny would call 6-shot Uncle 6-shot. He was like, I ain't your uncle. I'm a freaking Cybertronian robot. You're human. How the heck can I be your uncle, kid? Plus, I just took your best friend offline. I just killed your best friend in front of your eyes. Why you want to play fights with me? Why you call me Uncle 6-shot? I ain't your uncle. I'm a bitch ass robot. I'm a murderer. I'm a ninja. What's up? This kid needs some help, But yeah, so Decepticon 6-shot had a son that rebelled, and it's now Autobot 6-gun. So 6-shot, 6-gun. If you're like, what's the difference between 6-shot and 6-gun? 6-shot's the dad, 6-gun's the son. Son of a gun, But actually, it'd be gun of a son. Because, reverse, because the gun came after the shots, but the shots would be fired before the gun. Yeah, you know what I mean. Anyway, enough talk. Let's get into the unboxing. But I just had to throw out the history there. 6-shot versus 6-gun, who's who, and stuff. So you kind of have the history of, and what's going on. So if you're like, wait a minute, wasn't 6-shot a Autobot? No. 6-gun was an Autobot. 6-shot was a Decepticon who then later on turned to be a good guy. So, yeah. But that was like towards the very end. And then I think he got sacrificed and killed off. But anyway. Yeah, I kind of like the background, and as you can see, the symbol a little bit better. This is what I'm guessing is the Cybertron symbol for the Autobots. But anyway, let's unbox him, check him out and stuff. Not that many tie downs on him. I like that. I like when they don't put that many tie downs on these characters. So, first off, let's get him out of his drunken Autobot mode and into reporting for duty, standing up type of mode. Come on. Come on! You stupid Autobot. There we go. So, here he is with Deluxe Class Skytread and Deluxe Class Hot Rod from Titan's Return. So you have the Headmaster, Titan's Return, Hot Rod, and these two from the Seeds, War for Cybertron, lineup. Now, all these are Deluxe Class, so he sits a little bit shorter. He's in a pretty good scale size with him. So yeah, just if you want to see the difference between the Deluxes and stuff. Anyway, we'll put him off to the side. Let's get back to Sit's gun. Dang it. Too many shotguns. So he has a pretty good head sculpt. I do like that mask on the head. He can move his head a little bit side to side. Not that much. Not that much. Arms can